Oh, look at how cute that thing is. We're just checking them out. I was shooting a little video by my carrot plot, and I saw them all bunched up. So I'm going to have to start thinning them out so they can get bigger. But this one's not going to make it. I'm going to eat this. Yum. You don't eat carrots, do you? %20 of everything I eat goes to that thing right there. Anyway, what do I mean by thinning them out? Let me see if I can do this and show y'all. You can kind of just scatter plant them in different rows. Look in there. Y'all see how the carrots come up? Right there, there's one that's pretty thick, smaller and small. This guy's tiny right here. All I'm going to do is pull out, like, say that one and maybe that one, to give this one and this one over here, you know, the larger of these, a better chance to come in. That one will develop quicker if this one's gone. And then, you know, you keep going right on down the row until you find the ones. See, that one's looking really good. We want to keep that one growing. And we might pull the smaller one next to it out, give it a little room. You just keep going all the way down. And see, another row, for instance. And kind of peel back your carrot tops. And then just pull away a little bit of the soil and see how they reveal themselves. See that? See how close they are planted together? So you got one right here and one right here. I might pull that one out. And then I might come back in a few days and take, you know, maybe that one there. And so on and so forth until you have the necessary space. They're going to keep going. They don't care that it's cold. They don't care that it's going to be 17 degrees on Sunday. You know, they mat down like this. And look, see that? Let's see if I can open it up a little bit. I'm growing like crazy in there. Some of them are bigger, but I'll pull out the ones that make the most sense and afford them the greatest space. And as long as I got my puppy with me, you know, he's going to share some food with me. Look out here. See how they're growing right in here. If I can do this properly. There. You'll see that? So we're just going to pull a couple of those out to give them a little space. You know, maybe I might take, say, this one right here, pull it out, pull that one out, and these guys will have a little more room. Who knows? You know, maybe pull another one out, pull 3 or 4 of them out, just so I can have these two my fingers are on developing bigger. But give it a shot. Tell me what you think. I like it. I learned it from Paul. You know, it's what he's always talking about doing, and we always have plenty of carrots, as you can see. They are just so sweet, folks. Anyway, Riker, my man, God bless, folks.